Hello guys, my name is Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries or Crafts with Amateur Aries. Today I'll be showing you how to make an easy at-home meal from the recipe book, A Feast of Ice and Fire. This meal is called Breakfast on the Wall and is obviously great for a morning meal. So if you want to dine like Jon Snow, keep watching. The ingredients you need are breakfast ham steaks, however many you need, one for yourself or multiple for a family, oil, I use olive oil, eggs, again depending on the amount of people, butter, slices of rustic bread, I use honey wheat bread, and a handful of prunes, which I used raisins instead. Prepare your pan by starting up your stove and pouring a little bit of oil that you're going to need to cook up your ham. Cook it until it's browning and then set it aside, but make sure you keep it warm. The eggs normally call as hard-boiled, but my family wanted scrambled, so I'm going to read off the directions from the book so you can properly make them like the book. Place them in a small saucepan, cover with a finger's breadth of water, bring water to a simmer but not a boil, and simmer for 6 minutes. Cool the eggs by running them under the cold water for a minute. Set them on a serving plate. If you don't get what a finger's breadth of water means, usually it just means that it needs to be just above the eggs. Again, with the toast being slightly differently cooked, putting it in the toaster oven was way easier. The book says to melt the butter in the skillet you use for the ham, and then fry the slices of toast within it. Just transfer the bread onto a plate with your prunes or raisins and you're ready to eat. And that's it. I plan on doing more videos like this. If you would like to see something specific, just leave a comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will also be putting this on a Patreon page linked to my makeup channel. So if you want to help and support me through Patreon, go ahead and check that out. I'll be leaving a link down below.